The alkaline diet info every cancer patient needs to read immediately. This article will be much useful not to cancer patients only, but to all of you, as it provides an explanation of the pH balance of numerous foods. Namely, every human being needs to maintain the body alkaline in order to promote health and prevent serious illnesses such as cancer. According to Raw Food Health, the human body goes to great lengths to maintain a slightly alkaline pH of 7.35, but poor diet and stress can change the pH to an acidic one, in which disease can thrive. You will protect yourself and your health to a great extent if you change your eating habits. An alkaline diet, which is great cancer prevention, cannot be easily followed nowadays, especially in the fast-paced Western countries, when numerous people consume packages, snacks, processed foods, fast foods and microwave meals. These foods are no good for your entire well-being, and are especially unhealthy in the case of cancer. Therefore, as soon as a patient is diagnosed with cancer, it is advisable to prepare himself for the following treatments, by following a healthy and balanced, alkaline diet. This will significantly elevate the chances of healing. Namely, the proper diet would be abundant in simply prepared, fresh food. These are the most important dietary changes you need to do in the case of cancer. An alkaline diet reduces inflammation and improves intracellular pH. Nowadays, numerous people consume foods which increase the intracellular pH and cause inflammation. The state of an increased intracellular pH is known as latent acidosis, which is the ideal environment for the proliferation of cancer. Hence, a healthy alkaline diet will enhance the intracellular pH with time, and will fight inflammation. It primarily includes organic leafy green vegetables, broccoli, root vegetables, herbs and spices, beans, lentils and peas, cauliflower and cabbages, garlic, onions, leek and chives, nuts and seeds, along with a small amount of non-gluten grains like rice. Moreover, this diet includes a serving of between 2–4 ounces of grass-fed meat, clean fish, or organic poultry a few times a week. Also, in order to balance the consumption of minerals and vitamins, you should have 2–3 pieces of whole fresh fruit. Actually, you should eat as much fruits and vegetables as you can. Avoid gluten. Glutinous grains lead to inflammation, which is beneficial for the progression of cancer. Therefore, you should eliminate high-gluten grains like whole grains, rye, wheat, as well as cereals, pasta, cakes, bread, muffins, crackers, cookies and other baked goods. On the other hand, you should consume whole, non-gluten grains like rice, quinoa, buckwheat, amaranth and millet. Moreover, you should avoid gluten-free prepared products, as they contain added sugar or processed oils. Avoid sugar. This diet excludes sugar, as cancer cells use more glucose per unit of time than other cells. Namely, the metabolism of sugar leads to acidity, which is beneficial for cancer progression. Also, a diet rich in sugars, as well as fruits, will stimulate the insulin response. Thus, if you frequently consume fruits during the day, you may suppress the immunity and elevate the levels of insulin in the body, and thus lead to insulin resistance, which is directly related to cancer proliferation. Furthermore, processed sugar drains the body's magnesium and contributes to cancer. Also, high fructose corn syrup, due to its processing methodology, is rich in mercury, which is a toxin which causes cancer. Therefore, you should avoid all kinds of sugar, even natural sugars such as agave and honey, high fructose corn syrup and white sugar. You can eat a few figs, of dried apricots, unsweetened apple sauce, or fresh pineapple. However, note that even the fruit should be consumed in moderate amounts, since research has shown that fructose raises the cancer cell division rate 2 times more than other sugar types. Avoid dairy products. A major study conducted by Professor Emeritus T. Campbell, Ph.D., Cornell University showed that dairy is one of the most cancer-promoting foods. Namely, this is due to the casein protein. Also, Yogurts rich in proteins made with added powdered milk or whey are even a bigger threat than cheese, yogurt or plain milk. Yet, if you are struggling with cancer, you should avoid all kinds of dairy products, as they may lead to bone deterioration, due to the high acid production, inflammation, and promote cancer proliferation.